This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm thrilled to be spending this time with you. In this video, we're going to jam together on 5 different chord progressions, working on the bar chord shapes that we've been learning lately in the lesson series. Of course, we'll be doing some strumming as well. And when I say jam together, I mean we'll be jamming, you, me, and the band as we're playing these chord progressions, so it's going to be great. This video does accompany Lesson 15 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we're going to be on pages 103 and 104, doing songs 21 through 25. So we'll be starting there on page 103 with number 21. Now, when I first introduced these chord shapes, I went over it pretty thoroughly, and as we got started with playing some of these chord progressions, I sort of helped you find each one. I'm hoping at this point that you know how to find these shapes and they're becoming a little bit easier to find. So I am going to go over the strumming patterns because some of them are, of course, a little less familiar. So I'm going to give a few tips with the strumming patterns. If you're needing help finding these chord shapes, then you're going to go back to that first video that I did where I went over the chord shapes and how we position them along the fretboard to play the different chords, and then go on through those videos where I help you find them. At this point, all of these chords, at least these root notes we've found before, these chord shapes we're familiar with. So I'm not going to go over the chords specifically, but I will go over the strumming patterns. With number 21, we're just using that classic down, down, up, down, up. You'll see that written there. So no need to go over that further. We've used that strumming pattern probably more than any other strumming pattern. With number 22, it's a 2-measure strumming pattern. So we'll be inserting this strumming pattern every 2 measures. So that first measure is just the classic down, down, up, down, up, down, up. But then it connects us with this up, down, up, down, up. So you'll see those ties across even the bar line there. So all together it sounds like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And if we insert that, for example, into number 22, you've got D flat for 2 measures. We're going to play that whole strumming pattern on D flat. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, then G flat for the whole thing. And so on and so forth. So that's how that one works. Now, there aren't any places there where the chord is only happening for 1 bar. Each one of those chords is happening for 2 bars. If it did happen for 1 bar, ideally, we would anticipate across that bar line in most cases, unless you wanted to do the delay. We've talked about that long ago in the lesson series when we were learning to do strumming patterns with 2 chords per measure. Same kind of thing happens here when we're doing a 2-bar strumming pattern over 2 bars. So if we had 1 chord happening in 1 bar and another chord happening in another bar, for example, the D flat to the G flat, then it would help to anticipate by playing that and on the end of 4 there in that first bar, we would play that next chord there. So it'd be like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's how we'd most likely want to do that. But you could delay it if you wanted to with down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're going to hear how awkward that is. We almost always anticipate a cross. And that's even for all the strumming patterns that we use that don't have a strum that happens right on the beat where the chord comes in. We tend to use the anticipating option that happens just before it. Okay, so that's number 22. With number 23, we have this down, up, mute, up, down, up. And by mute, we mean slap. So down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up. So that's how that one goes. With number 24, a little bit different, but we have down, up, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up. And then with number 25, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hopefully those strumming patterns are getting familiar to you because we've been using them here in with a lot of these bar chord lessons, a lot of these bar chord videos, because a lot of the exercises use them. So hopefully they're becoming familiar if you didn't practice them a lot in lesson 14 where they were introduced. Okay, it's going to be super fun. Each one of these is going to happen. Each one of these progressions is going to happen twice. Slower tempo and faster tempo as usual. Of course, you can mute those strings and work on the strumming. Or Alternatively, you can just finger the chords, maybe not even pressing them down just to give your hand a break, but find those fingering shapes. Maybe you're just finding the root note, even playing the strumming pattern with just the root note using your index finger, so you've got your finger happening in the bar, in the fret where the bar will happen. That can be a useful thing to you. And of course, putting it all together. But you can break things down, practice one little element at a time. That can be really useful. All right, let's go ahead and play these songs together. Okay, fantastic. I hope you are having a lot of fun with this. In the next video, we're going to play the last 5 songs that go in lesson 15 of the book. So it's going to be great. We'll jam together on those. Take care, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.